So ayan guys, nilagyan natin ng ano sa sasakyan, hangin. Nakakuni kasi siya, mayroon siyang ano dito nga pwede mo siyang lagyan ng hangin galing sa sasakyan. So titingnan natin guys kung ma-fix pa yan. Ayan, oh, may sticker siya. So kunin namin yung sticker tapos lagyan ng tape, glue. Galing sa taas. Ang gagana na siya. It's what?
Huh?
Was hide the glue is special for this.
Yeah. Maybe it's hot.
We leave it if it's make he use again.
Huh?
Leave it if it's make he use yani. If it will remove the hawa again in how many hours yani. Sa? I think it's only he used. Sayang yung pagbali nito. 150. Sarap. Sa mga bubbles halas is fixed, I think.
Huh?
It's fixed. So yun guys. Ano sa sasakyan. Pinaburot. Ito namang isa kahapon yung ito binili. 4 na oras lang. Nabuslo tuli.
Huh?
Here I see the cut. Paano ako nito makaano? Makaagi. Put it up, sure. I want to pass. It was fish stick with it. You see it? Yan yung for home this watermelon. So
For you.
here in the garage. Lina, she tell because she is going to your mother. She tell me that later what send you there in your in Marta Ami because she is unique. I will tell you. She, ya Allah.
Like it? What is this?
What is that? Two.